I guess this one's not much of a video, but it was just a simple test. This was the first time I've used this Zinsser sealing texture. Ran it under some hot water first, and I was pretty happy with it. The first time I wasn't happy with it. The first can I used, I wound up taking my drywall knife back to it and smoothing it out, but my prep work on this one actually wasn't that great, to be honest. I could have done the prep work a little bit better. And after a little bit of experience using the can, I think I could make this come out much nicer. But overall, I was happy with how the texture came out. Not this first round, I'll show you. I wound up knocking it down with my drywall knife to smooth it out a bit. But using the hopper for small jobs, it's pretty messy. It's big, it's loud. This can was pretty nice, and you can see how bad the prep job was there, and you'll see the finish here. Again, it's not perfect, but I think if I had prepped it a bit better, definitely could have made this come out even better. I was pretty happy with, and it really wasn't too messy. Usually this is such a messy job, but this wasn't too bad. So pretty happy with the product. I'll definitely use it again. And again, having a little bit more experience with it, I think the next time I use it, it would definitely come out better. Even this one, probably if I went over it again, I probably could make it come out seamless. Even with as poor a prep job as it was. So I'm pretty happy with it. This was just a quick review of the product.